This is not a joke. Your Shiba Inu might be stolen. Billions of Shiba Inu gone in seconds. People are panicking. However, there's something you might need to know. This might actually be a blessing in disguise, and it will push Shiba Inu to skyrocket. What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Something massive just dropped today. The entire Shiba Inu community just got hit with a shocking development. Billions worth of Shiba Inu were stolen in a huge security breach involving a crypto exchange. Yeah, billions. Nobody saw this coming, and now it's shaking the whole ecosystem. This isn't just another headline. This could ripple across the entire Shiba Inu landscape for a long time. But here's the crazy part. In the middle of all that chaos, something wild is happening on the charts. One analyst pointed out that this might actually be the moment Shiba Inu wakes up again. He said, and I quote, "Shiba Inu is showing signs of life again. This could be the early signal of something big coming. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, that long-awaited dream of hitting 1 cent isn't so far-fetched anymore." Now you're probably wondering, okay, does the chart already reflect this drama? Well, surprisingly, yes, but not how you'd expect. Despite the news, Shiba Inu is actually climbing. It's been slowly but steadily pushing up. In the last hour alone, it's in the green. Over the past day, it gained even more. And the past week? It's up by a double-digit percentage. That's no joke. That's momentum. That's strength. Even though Shiba Inu is still down compared to earlier this year, the trend we're seeing right now is different. It's the kind of movement that makes traders pay attention. The kind of movement that whispers, a reversal might be here. And it's not just technicals. It's the vibe, the energy, the excitement slowly returning. You can feel it in the community. The dip buyers are loading up. The whales are watching closely. Something's definitely brewing. So yeah, today we saw billions lost, but we also saw Shiba Inu standing strong, maybe even stronger than before. And that right there is what makes this moment so interesting. So, what just happened? Big One, a lesser-known but pretty sizable crypto exchange, just got hit with a major attack. We're talking about a coordinated supply chain breach that somehow bypassed internal controls, without even needing private keys. The hacker walked away with over $27 million in assets. And yes, that included a massive stash of Shiba Inu, close to 10 billion tokens. We're talking big names here. Over 100 Bitcoin, hundreds of Ethereum, millions in USDT, Solana, and of course, a boatload of Shiba Inu. This wasn't some minor glitch. This was a full-on robbery. The second the news broke, the Shiba Inu community went on high alert. People expected a total meltdown, panic selling, huge dumps, charts falling off a cliff. I mean, when that many tokens suddenly leave an exchange and end up in unknown wallets, it usually triggers chaos. Everyone braced for impact. But guess what? That didn't happen. When you zoom into the Shiba Inu 1-minute chart, right after the breach was announced, yeah, there was a quick dip. Prices briefly dropped below that 13.5 level. But then, the market snapped back. Fast. In no time, it climbed right back near where it started, like nothing even happened. No crash, no massive sell-off, no panic wave. Just a momentary stumble, then straight back up. Now that is insane. And it says a lot. First of all, it could mean one of 3 things. Maybe the community was just in shock. Maybe Big One didn't have enough influence to move the market much. Or maybe, and this is the big one, Shiba Inu is getting too strong to be shaken that easily. Think about it. Nearly 10 billion tokens got yanked out of a major platform. That's a lot. But the price? Barely flinched. That shows serious resilience. It means Shiba Inu's ecosystem is maturing. Its supply is widely distributed. And the market isn't reacting with fear anymore, at least not like it used to. And that's really bullish. Because in crypto, strength isn't just about price going up. It's about how the market handles pressure. And today, Shiba Inu just took a hit and didn't break. That tells us one thing loud and clear. Shiba Inu isn't a hype token anymore. It's starting to act like a real player. And if it can hold strong through this kind of drama, imagine what it could do when things turn fully bullish again. This might have started with a robbery, but what we just saw, that was a flex. Shiba Inu is back, and it's not backing down. But here's something really interesting. Just hours ago, a massive Shiba Inu transfer hit the Ethereum blockchain. Over 250 billion Shiba Inu, worth more than $3.5 million, moved from CoinHako's hot wallet to a mysterious new address. And get this, that address now holds more than $4 million in Shiba Inu alone. Now, for anyone who doesn't know, CoinHako is a licensed crypto exchange based in Singapore, and it's a major player in Southeast Asia. So this isn't some random wallet action. This is a serious move, and it's raising some serious eyebrows. The wallet itself isn't labeled, but here's where it gets juicy. It's been linked to previous transactions with Binance, and it holds a mix of altcoins. So who's behind it? Based on on-chain data, it's either a high-net-worth whale quietly stacking Shiba Inu, or CoinHako itself moving funds for operational reasons. But either way, one thing's clear. This address isn't just sitting still. It's been active. It's seen several deposits and withdrawals recently, and has even sent smaller chunks of Shiba Inu to Binance over the past few days. But this latest transfer? It's the biggest one yet. And it just made this wallet one of the largest Shiba Inu holders in the region. That's a big deal. Because no matter who's behind it, this isn't casual activity. This is a major player making a move. And when you see whales or exchanges reorganizing funds like this, especially in the millions, it's usually not random. It's either preparation or accumulation. Either way, it signals interest. And not just small-time hype, serious, long-term positioning. Now combine that with what we've seen on the charts recently. Shiba Inu holding steady, even climbing, right after a billion-dollar hack. And now whales in Asia are moving millions more into Shiba Inu? That's not a coincidence. That's momentum building under the surface. People are watching. Smart money is watching. And clearly, some of them are already moving in. This isn't just about price anymore, it's about confidence. About strength. Shiba Inu is showing both right now, and this massive transfer only adds to the story. So while others are still asking, when is the moon? Smart money might already be setting up for it. Keep your eyes open because Shiba Inu isn't just surviving this market, it might be gearing up to dominate it. Now here's the craziest part. Even after all the chaos, the hack, the whale moves, and the billion token headlines, there's something happening beneath the surface that has analysts buzzing. According to Cantonese Cat, a well-known crypto analyst with a big following online, sell pressure on Shiba Inu has basically disappeared. Let that sink in. He pointed out that the usual downward pressure that's been weighing on Shiba Inu for months, it's fading. Fast. And if even a small wave of buying momentum kicks in, we could see the bearish grip break. Just like that. Cantonese Cat didn't drop an exact target, but the message was clear. Sellers are stepping back, and that opens the door wide for buyers. But that's not all. Other analysts are already connecting the dots. Shiba Inu Spain, one of the more followed voices in the community, shared a chart showing that Shiba Inu is now within striking distance of a major breakout level. He believes we could soon smash past that 18 level. And if momentum holds, we could be looking at a serious run toward one of the biggest community dreams. 1/10 of a cent. That's huge. And guess what? He's not the only one seeing it. Technical analyst Crypto Candy took a deeper look at the chart and didn't hold back. He says the entire setup right now is bullish. Plain and simple. His short-term target is just below that 17 line. But his mid-range? He's calling for a run to that 25 mark. And if momentum keeps building, he believes Shiba Inu could even reclaim its December 2023 highs, and maybe go even further. Think about that for a second. We've got declining sell pressure, whales making quiet but powerful moves, analysts calling for a breakout, and all of this is happening while Shiba Inu is quietly climbing, showing strength and refusing to break, even in the middle of bad news. That's what makes this moment so exciting. Shiba Inu isn't just getting lucky. It's evolving. The community is holding strong. Analysts are watching. And the chart? It's showing all the signs of something big on the horizon. If this momentum continues, if buyers keep stepping in, and if that sell-side pressure stays low, then we could be looking at a major breakout just around the corner. The setup is there. The signals are flashing. And Shiba Inu might just be gearing up for its next massive move. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money. So don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.